It was time for my annual Halo laser treatment, and I wanted to bring you along to show you what it's all about. Halo laser helps to treat large pores, fine lines, wrinkles, scarring, brown spots, sun damage, melasma, just to name a few conditions. It leaves you with a gorgeous halo glow. The first step is to apply a topical numbing cream, which is going to help to freeze the skin and also take away some of the discomfort of the treatment. Next, we're going to map the skin, and this tells the laser how much energy needs to be laid down per area in order to give you the best treatment. Once the mapping is complete, we move right into treatment. Now, Halo uses a fractionated laser, so this means that it only treats the skin in little dots in a certain percentage over the skin, which actually helps to promote faster healing. So these two lasers are going to penetrate deep into the tissue and stimulate quick regrowth of healthy new skin. So one of them is going to heat the skin cells without completely removing them to address skin texture issues. And the second is going to completely remove the top layer of that skin to stimulate collagen production. The treatment itself isn't too bad. It's a little bit uncomfortable, a little bit prickly, and it is very hot. So we actually use a hose that blows cool air to keep you more comfortable during the treatment. So here's my skin right after. It is definitely red and it definitely feels hot. But 5 hours later, this is me. The redness has gone down and it took about 2 hours for that heat to really go from my skin. I can definitely feel that my skin is sensitive, but I'm really not uncomfortable at this point. This is me on day 2, so definitely some redness, and you can for sure see that swelling. Depending on the depth of your treatment, your skin will be red and swollen like a sunburn for several hours, and the swelling can last 2 to 3 days after the treatment, depending on how your skin heals. You'll see very little change to your skin initially, but the results will start to appear within a few days. As your skin heals, it will start to take on a bronzed or coffee ground appearance, as you can see here in this picture, and fade over the course of about 5 days. After that, fresh new skin will start to be revealed over the next few weeks. You will increasingly notice tiny dark spots on your skin. These are called MENS, microscopic epidermal necrotic debris. These are the little wounds from the laser. This is part of the healing process where treated tissue is working its way out of your body as fresh, new, regenerated skin. Day 3, there's much improvement to the swelling, but it's still there. And of course, you see a little bit of redness. No discomfort at all today, except that my skin feels a little bit tight. And of course, that roughness from the MENS. Day 4, pretty much the same. The only swelling left is really under my eyes. And I'm starting to see some of the MENS fall off, especially around my mouth where I move the skin a lot, but zero discomfort. And I wore a little bit of makeup today. Again, no real difference between day 4 and day 5. Still very, very tolerable, just a little bit of roughness. And I find that tinted sunscreen helps to hide the MENS and a little bit of the redness, but other than that, pretty normal. I missed day 6, but here we are 1 week later. Everything is really back to normal. I had a little bit of itching from dry skin the last couple of days, but other than that, super wonderful. And I just love how my skin looks and feels. So there you have it, Halo fractionated laser in a nutshell. One of my favorite treatments to have done, but also to do for my patients because of the beautiful results. So immediately after, you're going to feel your skin is more refreshed, it's going to be brighter. I also feel like when I put my makeup on, it's like putting makeup over porcelain. I just feel so much better about my skin right now. It was just getting a little bit dull and a little tiresome. So more long-term results, it takes about 90 days for collagen to produce. So when you're looking for changes in the structure of your skin, so reduction in fine lines and wrinkles and potentially scarring, it is going to take multiple treatments probably, and also at least 90 days after the treatment to really see those types of changes in the skin. So I hope you enjoyed it. We do Halo fractionated laser at both our First Impressions Rejuvenation Clinic in Bedford, which is where I am, but also in Sydney. So I hope to see you soon.